Welcome to Middle Bucks Institute of Technology. My name is Savannah Pinto and I'm a part of the Cosmetology program. I'm also a part of Skills USA, our student government. Now let's introduce the rest of our representatives.
Hi, my name is Maggie Rutledge. I'm part of the Culinary Arts and Sciences program.
I'm Patrick Lafferty. I'm from the Electrical Technology program.
My name is Ben Jones and I'm in the Multimedia program. Now join us as we take you on our virtual tour.
Our first stop is in the lower area of the building, where cosmetology and commercial art and advertising design programs are located.
Commercial Art and Advertising Design is a visual art-based program that gives aspiring artists the training they need to hone their practical and design capabilities. Our cosmetology program teaches students how to provide a variety of beauty treatments, including hair cutting, styling and coloring, facials, makeup application, and manicures.
Our next stop is our Sports Therapy and Exercise Management program.
The Sports Therapy and Exercise Management program teaches students strength training, nutrition, exercise physiology, athletic training, and rehabilitation.
Now, we're in our Culinary Arts and Sciences lab.
In our Culinary Arts and Science program, students will study food preparation, commercial baking, gastronomy, menu planning, and restaurant management by working in Aspirations, our student-operated restaurant.
Right here we have Multimedia Technologies. And in the same hallway, we also have Web Design and Interactive Media.
In Web Design and Interactive Media, students will learn a number of Adobe programs while also learning how to code and build their own website. In Multimedia Technology, students learn a wide variety of media-based skills, from video editing to photography to audio and studio production.
As we head back to the building, we find our larger lab areas, such as welding.
In this course, students learn basic welding techniques and the fundamentals of metallurgy. Students are also exposed to an abundant amount of specialty areas, including plastics welding, orbital welding, fabrication techniques, and blacksmithing techniques. The Engineering-Related Technology program exposes students to the many disciplines of engineering, including civil, electrical, and electronic, design, industrial, manufacturing, mechanical, chemical, aerospace, and computer and network engineering.
From engines to body repair, MBIT offers hands-on experiences for all things automotive.
The Automotive Technology program is Automotive Service Excellence, accredited and prepares students to diagnose and perform maintenance on all types of vehicles. The Collision Repair Technology program is Automotive Service Excellence accredited. Students perform structural, non-structural analysis, damage repair, mechanical and electrical components, plastics, adhesives, painting, and refinishing.
You may have noticed a greenhouse here on MBIT's campus. This is where you can find horticulture, landscaping, and design.
Horticulture, landscaping, and design will prepare students in all phases of landscape or hardscape design and installation, horticulture, nursery operation, and turf management.
As you enter the construction wing, you'll find computerized drafting and engineering graphics.
In computerized drafting and engineering graphics, students learn to design using the latest versions of AutoCAD, Autodesk Revit, and Google SketchUp software packages. Instruction in the use of reproduction materials, equipment and processes, development of detailed drawings, and 3D solid modeling is provided.
Welcome to MBIT's Student-Built House, which is put together by our construction programs.
The Plumbing and Heating Technology program is accredited by the Pennsylvania Builders Association and uses project-based methods and national performance standards to instruct and evaluate students in a variety of careers in the mechanical and building maintenance industries. The Electrical Technology program teaches students how to install and maintain electrical installations in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. The Residential Construction Carpentry program prepares students in all phases of building construction, including site layout, footing and foundation construction, framing systems, drywall, and more, by building a full-scale residential home on site as a culminating project.
In the C Wing, we have public safety and building trade occupations.
The Public Safety program is designed to prepare students for careers in 4 broad public safety areas, including law enforcement, fire protection, emergency health services, and security and loss prevention. The Building Trades Occupations program prepares students for career paths in the construction industry through skills in the building, repair, and general maintenance of residential buildings and other structures.
On the top floor, we have our Medical Health and Dental Professions wing.
The Dental Occupations program will prepare students by teaching them dental radiology, oral pathology, chairside dental assisting, microbiology, nutrition, and anatomy and physiology. The Medical and Health Professions program provides core instruction in the healthcare field, including medical terminology and abbreviations, anatomy and physiology in health and disease, medical ethics and legalities, clinical laboratory procedures, cultural awareness, nutrition, growth and development across the lifespan, dimensional analysis, and current issues in healthcare.
Also on the top floor, we have our Networking and Operating System Security program, as well as our Early Childhood Care and Education program.
Networking and Operating System Security is an authorized Microsoft IT academy that offers a variety of topics, including the installation, configuration, and administration of computer operating systems, local area networking, open source coding systems, and computer infrastructure security. The Early Childhood Care and Education program prepares students for a variety of careers working with children and provides both theory and practical experiences. Thank you for watching our virtual tour of MBIT. Please visit www.mbit.org for information on applying to Middle Bucks and to meet the teachers.